How to fix product has inventory but shows as sold out. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix this in Shopify. This is a common problem that some people have, where a product, you do actually have some in stock, but it shows as sold out. So in that case, usually this problem is going to be due to locations. So just be sure to follow along and I'm going to try my best to fix it for you. So the first thing is going to be, if it's for the locations thing, you simply just want to log into your Shopify admin, go to settings, and then from here you should be able to find locations. So if you have set up multiple different locations for your Shopify store, so in that case you simply just want to click on one of the locations just to check, for example, the second one here, test location. If I click on that, you're going to have the option fulfillment. So basically, if you turn this on, hopefully this is actually going to fix your problem for you. And usually this is the case. Now, if it's not that, it may be that you actually have some variants for your products. And these variants, some of them are in stock, some of them are not. So in that case, you actually need to check with them and be able to restock them and make sure that the inventory is tracked. So in order to do that, I'm going to show you with a dummy product that I just added. So if you just go to products, click on a product that has variants, or even if it doesn't, you just want to turn on the inventory tracking. As you can see here, we have inventory not tracked. Anyway, we can just go ahead and click on this product. And then if we have variants, we simply just want to scroll down until we actually find all the different variants that we have. And we want to click on them one by one and adjust them accordingly. So for example, if we have sizes small, medium, and large, we can just click on the small one first, scroll down, and we should be able to find inventory, and it is not tracked. So we simply just turn this on, and we want to select how many available we have for the small variant. Click on save, and now you should be able to see that we have available 15 for the small one. And the inventory is set as tracked. Same goes for medium and large. You just want it to save. Click on the next one and do the same process again and again until you have all of them set up as we did the small one. So these are two different ways that this could actually help fix that problem for you, and hopefully it did actually do that and fix it for you. So hopefully you found this video to be informative, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.